Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smartphone camera lens and kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the fisheye cell phone camera lens kit. This 11-in-1 kit is perfect for photography enthusiasts who love experimenting with different effects. It includes a whopping 8 lenses, such as a 20x telephoto lens for distant subjects, a 0.63x wide-angle lens for expansive views, a 15x macro lens for close-up details, and a 198 degrees fisheye lens for creative circular shots. Additionally, you get unique lenses like a kaleidoscope and CPL filter, plus a tripod and eye cup for added stability and versatility. The design is impressively compact, with industrial-grade materials ensuring durability. The universal clip is versatile, and the included storage bag makes it easy to carry everything. However, the kit does require you to remove your phone case for proper use, which could be inconvenient for some users. A wide-angle lens and macro lens are screwed together, offering flexibility but also requiring some setup time. Performance-wise, the fisheye kit delivers decent results, especially for casual users looking to experiment with different photography styles. However, the image quality isn't as sharp as some of the higher-ranked options on this list. This makes it better suited for hobbyists rather than professional photographers. Its vast array of features and affordable price point make it a great gift choice or entry-level kit, but it struggles in low-light conditions and requires careful setup to avoid lens instability. Pros include versatility and variety, while cons include subpar sharpness and setup complexity. At number 4, we have the Lekness 3-in-1 phone lens kit. This kit offers a great balance of simplicity and functionality, featuring a 198-degree fisheye lens for creative effects, a 120-degree wide-angle lens for landscapes and group shots, and a macro lens that zooms in on tiny details like flower petals or textures. The lenses are crafted from industrial-grade aluminum and premium optics, ensuring durability and clarity in your shots. Design-wise, the clip-on mechanism is straightforward to use, but it does require you to remove your phone case for optimal performance. The rubber grip prevents slippage and protects your device from scratches, which is a nice touch. The kit is compatible with a wide range of Android smartphones, but does not support iPhones above the 14 series, making it less versatile for Apple users. While the Lekness kit delivers solid performance for casual photographers and social media enthusiasts, its image quality falls slightly short of professional-grade options. The fisheye lens is fun for vlogging and creative shots, while the macro lens is surprisingly sharp for such an affordable product. However, the wide-angle lens can produce slight distortion at the edges. This kit is ideal for beginners who want to explore different photography styles without spending a fortune. Pros include ease of use and affordability, while cons include limited compatibility and minor image distortion. Taking the number 3 spot is the BNIFI phone camera lens kit upgraded version. This 4-in-1 kit is designed for photography hobbyists and includes a 28x telephoto lens for distant subjects, a 0.6x wide-angle lens for sweeping landscapes, a 198-degree fisheye lens for quirky compositions, and a 20x macro lens for close-up shots. The package also includes essential accessories like a tripod for stability and a universal clip for easy attachment. The build quality is solid, with vacuum multi-layer optical coating on the lenses to reduce glare and improve clarity. The lenses are compact and easy to transport, but the telephoto lens is prone to shaking without a tripod. The clip system works well for most smartphones, but may struggle with devices that have multiple cameras or large cases. Performance-wise, the BNIFI kit does a commendable job, especially for outdoor photography. The telephoto lens excels in capturing distant objects like birds or concert stages, but the fisheye and wide-angle lenses can produce slight distortion. The macro lens is highly detailed and ideal for capturing textures and small subjects. This kit is perfect for hobbyists who want versatility without breaking the bank. Pros include excellent telephoto capabilities and overall versatility, while cons include edge distortion and compatibility issues with multi-camera devices. In second place, we have the BNI5 phone camera lens kit featuring a powerful 28x telephoto lens. This kit is ideal for users who prioritize long-distance photography, such as birdwatchers or concert-goers. The telephoto lens doubles as a monocular telescope, enhancing its versatility. The kit includes an E-clip for secure attachment and a tripod for steady shots, making it perfect for outdoor and action photography. The design is compact and user-friendly, with an individual focus ring that lets you adjust sharpness and field of view. The build quality is robust, though the telephoto lens can feel slightly heavy and requires a tripod for stable usage. The clip system works well, but phones with multiple cameras may struggle with alignment, limiting compatibility. Performance-wise, the BNI5 28x telephoto lens delivers sharp and clear images with minimal distortion. It's perfect for capturing distant subjects, but lacks versatility for close-up or wide-angle photography. Its monocular feature is a unique bonus for outdoor enthusiasts. This kit is ideal for users who primarily shoot long-distance subjects and need a reliable, high-quality telephoto option. Pros include exceptional zoom capabilities and sturdy build quality, while cons include limited versatility and potential compatibility issues. Finally, at number 1, we have the Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. This all-in-one kit is a standout product that combines premium build quality, versatile functionality, and user-friendly design. The kit includes a TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens for capturing 45% more in your shots, a Claris 15x macro lens for intricate close-ups, and a glow clip rechargeable LED fill light for perfect lighting in dark settings. It also comes with a travel case and lanyard for portability. The build quality is exceptional, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and multi-element coated glass for durability and optical clarity. The TrueGrip lens clip offers superior grip strength, ensuring the lenses stay firmly attached during use. The Glow Clip LED light is a game changer, providing warm, natural illumination with 3 brightness levels that outperform your phone's built-in flash. In terms of performance, the Xenvo kit shines. The wide-angle lens captures expansive views with no vignetting, while the macro lens produces razor-sharp close-ups of tiny details. The LED fill light enhances low-light photography, making it ideal for nighttime shots or indoor settings. With its universal compatibility and professional-grade features, the Xenvo Pro Lens Kit is perfect for hobbyists and pros alike. Pros include premium build, versatile functionality, and outstanding image quality, while cons are limited to its slightly higher price point and single battery dependency. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.